Hello everyone and welcome back to Amazon. Today we have with us the latest OnePlus flagship, the OnePlus 10T. The OnePlus 10T 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1's octa-core CPU offers 10% faster CPU performance, power efficiency and extended performance across the board, which is a major upgrade over its predecessor. It also offers longer video streaming and web browsing for heavy users. In terms of memory, the OnePlus 10T comes up with a memory of 16 GB of RAM, allowing you to multitask over 30 apps at the same time. Also, you get 128 GB and 256 GB storage options. The OnePlus 10T comes in two attractive color options, guys: Moonstone Black and Jade Green. Let's move on to charging. The OnePlus 10T 5G comes equipped with a 150-watt Super VOOC charging technology. That is a major upgrade from the 65-watt warp charge. Now only in 10 minutes, you can get a day's worth of charging in your phone. The smartphone is also loaded with a 4800 mAh battery. OnePlus 10T comes with the first ever ultra-thin vapor cooling system to help your phone stay cool even during heavy usage. This is a big advantage for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. Another plus for gamers, the Amp Connect, which reduces gaming latency by up to 60% when wearing Bluetooth headphones. Moreover, OnePlus ensures that you get uninterrupted network connectivity with the Smart Link, switching to the best network possible wherever you are. Now let's move on to one of my favorite parts about the phone, the camera quality. Just look at the quality of the cameras and how they look in general, guys. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus 10T 5G packs a triple camera setup, as you can see, with a 50 megapixel primary camera. This setup has a clear advantage over the dual camera. You get better zoom, better HDR quality and high quality low light photography. For selfies, of course, it has a 16 megapixel front camera as well. With its next generation Nightscape 2.0, you can capture great images even in low light environments. The Image Clarity Engine 2.0 captures compelling shots with an ultra-fast shutter start. The phone runs on Oxygen OS 12.1 based on Android 12. The new OS will bring improved customization as well as better connectivity. Now let's talk about some of the other cool features this phone has. Sensors on the phone include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and to keep you secure, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor as well. And also there is a face unlock button. Summing up this amazing phone, the OnePlus 10T 5G features Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform with 16 GB RAM, offers OnePlus Cryo Velocity vapor cooling system to avoid any kind of overheating, and also comes packed with a 150-watt Super VOOC fast charging endurance edition. So are you ready to enjoy all these cool features and many more? Well, I hope you have a great shopping experience. Thank you for watching.